Hey guys, welcome to TechPro. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install an application that allows you to convert any video file type to another file type. So if you have, like, say for instance, one of my main use cases for it is that on the PS5 it records in a WebM format if you want to record in 4K. So an easy way to convert that is just use this application, so you can still get that. You can get like a 4K video and get it converted to MP4, so you can add it to a video editing application or any application that you need to add it to. So to download this video converter, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for any video converter. So that's what it's called. So just search for any video converter, and what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and choose the first one that comes up, which will take you to their site. So any video converter really works for any format. You can use it for many different formats, and they do have a paid version, but I mean the free version has worked pretty well for me. So I mean
Hello everyone, today I'm going to illustrate how to use any video converter free on Windows. It's one of the best free video converters.
Download button, and that'll take you to another spot, and then it gives you the option to free download again. If it doesn't start, you can press that, otherwise as you can see it already came up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click open. By clicking open, you agree to open the application, so it'll just automatically install and open it for you, and then it'll ask you to if you want to run it, so I'll say yes to that, and then it's just going to start basically extracting the data so it can get the installer basically set up so you can actually go ahead and install the application. And over here you have the option to customize the install. I'm just going to do the regular install, accept the end user license agreement, and just click download now, or install now, sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and click install now, and you just have to wait for it to install. So you can go ahead and close this, and it'll just install, and it'll tell you some of the features of the application and how it works. And I found this application is pretty powerful. Like, I've used other applications like Handbrake, and I've tried to use Handbrake, and Handbrake does work pretty well. I'd say it's one of the most solid open source applications in a way, but the problem with Handbrake is that it does take pretty long, and I've noticed this application doesn't take as long, and you really do have quite a lot of control over how you want your files to look in the end. So now you can just go ahead and click start now, and as you can see, it's added this over here so you can have a quick way to get it. I've noticed that it doesn't actually show it over here or anything, so it won't actually show it for some reason on the side, but it will show it over here. So you might want to save that, because it's not actually that easy. Like, if you search for any video converter, you won't actually find it. So there's an update, but I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. You can go ahead and install that if you do have an update. And how this works is pretty simple. So you can just go ahead and get rid of all these. So you can just choose your file. So I have a few files over here. So let's say I have this one. So I have this file over here, so I can go ahead and add that. And then what you can do is you can just go ahead and choose what format you want it to export it in. So I'm just gonna go ahead to common, and then let's say I wanted to do MP4, I could just use customize MP4 movie. And then over here you have a few of the settings where you want to change it, the video size and the quality. And then it's really simple, you just click convert now and it'll convert. And something like this in Handbrake would probably take 30 minutes, compared to this application it's doing in about 3 minutes. So that's really the power of this application. It really does work well. And if you do a lot of you need to take videos and put them into other formats, and you need to use it a lot, and you're currently using Handbrake, I highly recommend trying this out to see if it does work for you, because it is really quick and it's simple and easy to use. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please go ahead and click the like button, and please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from us in the future.